Interested in becoming a Salesforce developer? Great choice! In this video, I'll guide you through the 9 steps you need to take to become a Salesforce developer. Let's get started. My name is Artem, and I'm a Salesforce developer at Envy. We help businesses overcome challenges using Salesforce. According to Glassdoor, as of April 2024, a Salesforce developer in the United States can earn about $180,000 per year. Are you interested? Salesforce development isn't something that you can learn in college or university. So here are my 9 steps to help you get started. Step 1. Understand what Salesforce is. Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management platform. It's used by businesses to manage their relationship with customers. As a Salesforce developer, you will be responsible for customizing and development on the Salesforce platform. Step 2. Learn the basics of programming. Salesforce development requires knowledge of programming languages like Apex, which is similar to Java, and Visualforce for creating custom user interfaces. If you are new to programming, start with basic courses in Java or C# to build a strong foundation. Step 3. Get hands-on with Salesforce. The best way to learn is by doing. Sign up for a free Salesforce developer account at developer.salesforce.com. This will give you access to a Salesforce environment where you can practice building applications and customizations. Watch our Q&A episode video to learn how to create a developer account. Step 4. Explore Trailhead. Trailhead is Salesforce's free online learning platform. It offers interactive models and trails that cover everything from basic concept to advanced development techniques. Start with beginner trails like Salesforce platform basics and gradually move to more advanced topics. Step 5. Earn certifications. Certifications are crucial in the Salesforce ecosystem. And don't be ashamed to start with the basics. I personally recommend starting with the Salesforce Certified Administrator exam, which covers fundamental Salesforce concepts. Then aim for the Salesforce Certified Platform Developer 1 certification, which focused more on programming and development skills. Explore our video with the certification preparation tips. Step 6. Join the Salesforce community. Networking is key. Join local Salesforce user groups, participate in online forums like Salesforce Developer community, and attend events like Dreamforce. These communities are invaluable for learning, getting support, and finding job opportunities. Step 7. Build a portfolio. As you learn and develop skills, build a portfolio of projects that showcase your abilities. Include custom applications, integrations, and any unique solution you have developed. This will be crucial when you are job hunting. Step 8. Apply for jobs and internships. Start applying for junior developer roles or internships. Even if you start in a different role within a Salesforce using organization, you can transition to a developer role over time. Use jobs boards, LinkedIn, and the Salesforce community to find opportunities. Step 9. Keep learning and stay updated. Salesforce is constantly evolving. Stay up to date with new releases, features, and best practices by continuing your education on Trailhead and other resources. Now, let's talk about the Salesforce developer career path. Here is a general overview of the stages you can expect in your career. Junior Salesforce developer. This is where most people start. You will focus on learning the basics, working on smaller projects, and gaining practical experience. Salesforce developer. With more experience, you will take on larger projects, write more complex code, and may begin specializing in areas like Lightning Web Components or integrations. Senior Salesforce developer. At this level, you will lead projects, mentor junior developers, and work on advanced customization and integrations. You will need a deep understanding of the Salesforce platform and best practices. Salesforce architect. Moving into architecture involves designing complex solutions and ensuring they fit within the broader business strategy. you will need multiple advanced certifications and extensive experience. Salesforce Consultant. This role focuses on working with clients to understand their needs and implementing Salesforce solutions that meet their business requirements. It often requires strong communication skills and a deep understanding of various Salesforce products. Salesforce Development Manager or Director. In these leadership roles, you will manage development teams, oversee multiple projects, and align technical efforts with business goals. Strong leadership and strategic planning skills are essential. And there you have it. Becoming a Salesforce developer takes time and dedication, but with the right steps, you can build a successful and fulfilling career. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Happy developing!